so lucky to be yours.
Hello friends, welcome back, or welcome if you are new, to Cora's Cozy Castle. In today's video, I will be giving my keeping room, which is the living space off of my kitchen, a deep clean. And I also will be completely transforming the space by switching out the entire room's furniture. Stay tuned and clean with me and see how the space transforms.
Talking about yourself and you make me smile. I can listen all night long. I tell you about the time when I first met you, listening to our favorite song. Walking on the street when you caught my eye, something about the way you move. No, there ain't nobody like, there ain't nobody like. So lucky.
I want to pop on here and introduce myself if you are new, as we are getting the room cleaned out here. My name is Kristen, and this is Cora's Cozy Castle, named after my sweet little 5-pound dachshund, Cora Sue, which you will definitely see throughout my videos. I am a wife of 16 years to my high school sweetheart, Jeff, and we have 3 boys, Britton, Asher, and Jensen. We also have 2 fur babies, Cora Sue, and our sweet collie puppy, Bentley, who also loves to make appearances in my videos. Here on my channel, you will find cleaning motivation along with homemaking and decorating videos. If you like those types of videos, make sure to click that red subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and definitely leave me a comment because I would love to get to know you. I hope you enjoy today's video.
Drive with you, looking for a bar in the nearest town. I've never seen a sky so blue. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. Ain't no.
Now that all of the furniture has been removed from the space, the deep cleaning starts with washing the windows, giving the space a good vacuum and mop, and of course, picking up any toys. You guys will see all of the goodies we found under the coffee table soon, and my youngest son, Jensen, loved helping me clean them up.
Hey, you're good at making me lose my mind, but I always come around, don't I? And I know sometimes I'm bringing you down, but I always make you smile, don't I? We're like the waves on a big blue stormy sea, but still you're the one who brings out the best in me. We're a little messed up, baby, kinda up and down, and we keep falling till we hit the ground, but then we get back up again. Yeah, we're a little messed up, baby, it's never getting boring when we keep aiming for the stars, just you and me. Ooh, we always get back up again. You and me. Ooh, baby, you and me. There is no one else who can make me feel like I can do anything I dream of but you. We can fight all day and make love at night, 'cause we always figure it out, don't we? Yeah. Yeah, we're like the waves on a big blue stormy sea. We're a little messed up, baby, kinda up and down, and we keep falling till we hit the ground, but then we get back up again. Yeah, we're a little messed up, baby, it's never getting boring when we keep aiming for the stars, just you and me. Ooh, we always get back up again. You and me, you and me, baby, you and me. little messed up, baby, kinda up and down, and we keep falling till we hit the ground, and then we always get back up again. We're a little messed up, baby, kinda up and down, and we keep falling till we hit the ground, but then we get back up again. Yeah, we're a little messed up, baby, it's never getting boring when we keep aiming for the stars, just you and me. We always get back up again. You and me.
Now that the room is nice and deep cleaned, I'm finishing up this last little part of the vacuum. Jeff and Britton are bringing in the furniture, but guys, it's not the same furniture. It is the furniture from our other main den space. I have been thinking about swapping the furniture now for a while. I just felt that the other furniture was just a little bit too large for this space. And honestly, I love the way both rooms turned out. But in this video, you guys are going to see this room. And make sure to stay tuned because the next video, which will be uploaded on Saturday at 10 a.m., is going to be the other room's big reveal. I cannot wait. I'm loving the spaces. I asked you guys a question coming up, whether you thought I should put pillows on these other chairs or not. So leave that down in the comments below. Should I leave the pillows on there or just leave the chairs without pillows? Because I cannot make up my mind. And then there's part of me that just thinks I don't like those pillow covers and maybe I just need different pillow covers. So definitely leave that down in the comments. I cannot wait to see you guys in my next video. Thank you to all of my subscribers. Much love always. Bye.
Just trust your head and your heart. That's what my mama said. I wish I could freeze this moment, just never let it end. Walking through the snow when you're taking my hand. All of those late nights on your couch when we just talked until midnight. I just wish I could freeze this moment.